So, hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me, a very tired me. So, if you are new here, allow me to say welcome, hello, and if you are returning, thanks guys for coming back. So, in today's video, the long anticipated and very late, and I do apologize for that, we have Ice Cream Beauty and also the bag. And yes, it is for the month of March. I do apologize. Things have been a little crazy, guys, but if you want to see what's going on here, we also have a winner to announce, and as always, a giveaway to pop off. So, if you want to see what is going on, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, I am also late with this, and I do apologize ever so much. There was a little mix-up this month for Ice Cream Beauty. So as you know, I do receive this subscription right here in the box in PR, and I do purchase also the box and the bag. So this is essentially my PR box, and there was a little bit of a mix-up. So they have this box here at their warehouse. So what's going to happen here is we are going to announce the winner from last month and start a new giveaway with this box right here. Will be sent to the winner from Ice Cream Beauty, okay? That's how we're going to do it. That's how it went down this month. Let me just tell you, if you are new here, before I dive into this box, that this is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty, but real life beauty. I do unboxings. I do anything really beauty related, like just about everything. Collabs, which I just was in one. Also, it's not a giveaway channel, but I do like to do giveaways on occasion. This one is a monthly giveaway that's on every month. Please remember to rate the video thumbs up. And if you have not yet hit that button, please do so. It's right there. And become part of the family. I treat this channel as a family where we don't worry about perfect over here. I just like to have fun. And yeah, I'm not a makeup artist, but I like to create art with makeup. Seeing the transformation from beginning to end just makes me happy. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in here. I will tell you that I did try the palette out. Now, I didn't get very much further than that. And there's just been so much going on, guys. It's like crazy. My life is insane right now. It's just very insane. And I will do an updated video on everything that's going on. Wait till you... I don't even know where to begin. It's that crazy. Okay, Ice Cream Beauty. I will leave all the information down below about Ice Cream Beauty with a link bringing you over there. I do also have a code that will save you not only on your first subscription, but in the shop as well. And I will put that here and again down below, okay? All my codes that I have, guys, for any subscription boxes or otherwise will always be listed in every video down below, along with my social media links. You just click it and it'll take you right over to, like, say, Instagram or Twitter. If you have not followed me on Instagram, please, if you could, that would be great. I'm trying to reach 1,500 because I'm going to do a big giveaway over there as well once we hit that number, okay? So, always get a card. And now this was for March, so it is a little green and a lot of gold, okay? So that is the theme for the box. Again, it was March, St. Patty's Day. Loving that. Now, let's see. Oh, okay, so this is here. Now, I was like digging around in the box a little bit, but I went for the palette, and since this is my PR box, I am going to give you my thoughts on everything that I have tried. The first thing I see here, which is valued at $40. I need my glasses for this, and here they are. Hold, please. I'm super tired, guys. You don't even know how many. Oh my gosh, I've had to film so many videos over like 2 and 3 times. Yeah. Corrupted files, deleted footage, crazy. Which is why this video is late. So, okay, we do have the Earth Harbor Marina Bio Brightening Ampule. It's very pretty, I must say. I do like Earth Harbor's packaging. It's very simplistic, but yet very elegant at the same time. I do like the color. That's a very pretty color. Now, a lot of things that have to do with, like, I don't know, the ocean, like Dead Sea mineral stuff, that makes me break out as well. I don't know. I'm not decided yet what I'm going to do with this, but I'm very happy to see it in the box. This is valued at $40. Always happy to get an Earth Harbor product because I really do like the brand. They have a peptide serum that I use that is very, very good. Okay, so that is the first item. And in this box, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, okay? So this I think I've seen or I own. I'm not sure. Let me get my scissors. Oh, I gotta stop reaching. I keep forgetting. Surgery coming up on my arm, guys. Found a new doctor. Yay, yay. This is Hikari, which is a brand. They kind of like popped up on the scene, just kind of out of nowhere. And they're heck of expensive, or at least they were. I know their palettes were. I actually did a video. It's in my library. It's not edited or anything, but I did it a while ago. Using all Hikari products, I wanted to see how they performed. I mean, there were some things that worked, and I think there was a couple that didn't. Oh, this is pretty. I do like the design on there. So this, I guess you would kind of like just swirl your brush in. This is the blushing bronzer. Okay, so either or. And this is valued at $23. Okay, which not bad for, I guess, like a blush and a bronzer mix. And then, let's see, let me dig around here. Okay, so we have this. Now, this is something I did receive in BoxyCharm. So, you know, go ahead, Eyescream Beauty. Everybody's always comparing boxes, right? This is the Perfecting Primer, 1 ounce for $30. Now, this is supposed to be a very good primer, except this is matte finish. So, that's why I couldn't use it in the last one. So yeah, this will be going in a giveaway, but again, a very good product, just the same. So that is a third product. Now, the fourth product, what am I looking for? Oh, the crayon, okay. This is the Crown Pro Eye Crayon. Now, this is like a metallic shade. I did take this out because I was going to lay this down as like a colored base and then go over it with the shadows, but then I saw it had a little bit of shimmer in it, so I did not use it. So here it is here, and this is valued at $10. So remember, the theme is a little green and a lot of gold. So, okay, St. Patty's Day, and also that is appropriate, green. I don't have a green liner like that, so that's awesome. So the last thing in the box is this. This is the palette. I did play with the palette, guys. Now, unfortunately, the footage got deleted, but I did create 2 different looks. The first one I ended up just wiping off, okay? Now, I'm going to give you my thoughts on the palette. This is the only palette I've ever tried from LA Slash. Now, I will tell you, the palette itself is very pretty, and I do like the shimmers very much. The mattes, however, the mattes, you know, I'm not a makeup artist. I never claimed to be. I pretty much can find my way around a palette. Okay, so let me just say, this black down here is not the best black. I didn't like the black, and I wasn't happy with the mattes. Let's just put it that way. It's not that they were terrible or anything. I mean, I like shadows that you can build up. That's my thing. I would almost prefer them. But these, you know, I had to go in many, many times, and it was still patchy. I wore it for about an hour, and it started to fade. Now, that's the mattes. But the shimmers, on the other hand, I did enjoy this one very much. Also, the green was very, very nice. Now, these 2 I didn't use because I was using it. I was trying to do a look with the green and the champagne. Now, I will say this is a little bit of a chunky formula, so I would recommend using like some kind of setting spray. It is a very pretty color, okay, but you can kind of see the texture there. Yeah, see how it's like standing up a little bit. So it is a little more of a chunky formula, but with a little NYX glitter primer, they popped beautifully. Same thing with these. This one is a little more, I want to say smoother. This one right here, okay? This one here, again, this is more of a deeper bronzy color, and they are nice. And with the glitter primers, they popped really well. Matter of fact, let's do the green real quick, because that's the last shimmer. I would reach for the palette for the shimmers. Just wasn't a fan of the mattes. Very nice dark green shimmer. Are they like the best shimmers I've ever had? No, but they do the job. And like I said, if you put down just a little bit of any kind of like glitter primer first and then go in with your brush over that, they really do, like they pop nicely. It's just the mattes that I weren't a fan of. Perhaps a makeup artist could get it to work. I don't know, but I just had a little bit of issue with them being patchy, and like I tried to build them up, and it seemed like the more I built them up, and tried to blend them out, the patchier they got. So I don't know if it was human error or, you know, not sure, but yeah, definitely would recommend the shimmers in here. So that's the box. Now let's recap. We have the crayon from Crown Brush. We also have this is, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even tell you the name. This is LA Splash Golden Gatsby, the eyeshadow palette. That is the name, guys. And of course, you saw what it looked like. So that's the second item. Then we have the Earth Harbor, which I'm very happy to get. I'm going to set that one to the side. We do have the Hikari bronzer and blush. It's like a mix where you would just probably kind of swirl it around. And then, of course, the last item is this. And this is the EVO Primer, which, again, I've heard and read that is a very good product. If you need something to mattify and it goes under your makeup, keeps the oil in your T-zone in check. But your girl here has no oil anywhere. So, yeah, I can't use that mattifying. So that will also go in a giveaway. Now, I will leave the total of the box right here. So what are my thoughts? All in all, I mean, I didn't mind that the palette didn't work for me except for the shimmers, because we've gotten so many good boxes. I mean, you know, not every palette is going to work on everybody. I'm just saying. Someone may have better luck with it than I did, but I just could not get the mattes to lay down. And I used my tried and true, you know, primer and all, so it wasn't that. So there's the box, okay. So let's get into the bag. I will open it and we will dive right in. Okay, guys, so the random comment picker has spoken. This is the winner to February's Eyescream Beauty box subscription. They have 48 hours to get a hold of me. Congratulations. Now back to the video. Okay, so if you don't know, the bag, again, all the information will be linked down below. So looks like we may have 2 palettes here in the bag. What? Go ahead, Eyescream Beauty, with your bad self. Wait a minute. Okay. Is this the first time ever I didn't get a card? Let me look in the bag. Oh, I don't see a card, guys. Okay, this is the very first time that this has ever happened that I didn't get a card. So, not going to complain about that. I just can't give you the prices of things. So, congratulations to the winner, I will say that. Now, we do have this palette, and I do believe I have this, or I had this palette. I'm not sure. It looks very familiar. So it is Be a Queen 16 color eyeshadow palette. And there's the front, okay? And there's the back, okay? It just says, and I will put my glasses on for this. With this wide variety of highly pigmented eyeshadows, you can create the perfect look. From demure to bold, the options are endless. Okay. And it does have the ingredients. First one being mica. Do we have the Leaping Bunny on there? It is cruelty-free. And yes, we do have the Leaping Bunny right. Where is she? Right up here. Okay. So that's awesome. Oh, yes. I do remember getting this. Now, they have a little sticker on the top. So what I'm going to do is, I think I did give this away in a giveaway. But it's a very pretty palette. This is what it looks like. And I am liking those shades. I'm definitely like to the blue. Oh my gosh. And as you can see, I do have a blue eye look. This was the look I did for the collab. So I do like this palette. Even though there's a lot of dark shades, but that's fine. To deepen up the outer corner, you have your lighter shades here. You have the pops of color. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 shimmers and 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. So that's not bad. Yeah, okay. I'm a shimmer girl. It doesn't have a mirror, but that doesn't much bother me because I very rarely use a mirror to the palettes. So there we have that. Okay, so that is the first palette. We do have a crayon. I believe it's a liner in here. Yes. This is from Crown Beauty again, and here is the shade. I'm not going to open it, guys, but that teal. I have to do a teal look. I haven't done one. A pastel, but not like true like turquoise, which, oh my gosh, I have on my wrist right now. Again, I don't know the price of this. I want to say this is $10. I'm not sure, though. So the next palette we have is Go To Beauty Exposed at number 2. Okay, that is, I want to say that maybe a second edition. And here's the palette right here. Comes nicely bubble wrapped. And it does have a mirror and a protector, okay. Oh, this is a blush palette. Oh, I'm liking this a lot. Oh, yes. Oh, and it's magnetic. That's a very nice. So you have a magnetic closure. Okay, with a little protector. And there are the shades. Yes, I'm very happy for that. I want to see how these work. This is really cool because you have basically every color under the sun. And again, you don't have to use these as blushes. You can probably use them as eyeshadows, but I would definitely use them as blushes. I do like that. All right. So there you have it. So this is not an eyeshadow palette. This is a blush palette. So that's very cool. Let's recap. We have the Be a Bombshell, Be a Queen eyeshadow palette, which is very pretty. And then we do have the Go To Beauty blush palette, which I'm very happy to get because I do want to try. There's a lot of nice colors in there. And then, of course, we do have the liner. Okay, so there you have it. And it does look like a retractable one, if I'm not mistaken. So what are we giving away in this video? We are giving away March's box. Now, I know I said the eyeshadow wasn't like the mattes, but that's just me. They may absolutely work for you. So that will be given away, as well as everything in the box. Again, the whole entire subscription, as I do get two. I don't need to. What we went over in that box will be the prize. Whoever is the winner, I will notify Eyescream Beauty and they will mail it to you. Because they didn't ship it here. It was like a mix up with shipping. What do you need to do to enter this giveaway? You must be subscribed to the channel. I hate that word. You must be publicly subscribed because I need to be able to go in and verify that. We're going to keep this one in the US just for this, okay? Like, you see how I'm bouncing back and forth? I'm giving everyone a chance, and I'm trying to include international whenever I can, guys. I do have 2 more videos with 2 giveaways coming, okay? No, I'm sorry, 3. I have 3 giveaways coming, as you all know, the Natasha Denona, if it's not already started. Oh, we have a Win It With It Wednesday. That's what it is. So there's 3, possibly 4 giveaways coming. You must be 18 or older. You must have a U.S. shipping address. You don't have to live in the U.S. when I say that. Somewhere I can ship it in the U.S. so that you can get the prize, whether it be to a friend or, you know, somebody that you may visit, or they may visit you and they could take it to you. But it has to be in the U.S., okay? And the words you're going to use is flower. If you can, please drop a flower down below. Anyone, rose, whatever is in your emoji section of your device, must use that word in a sentence. YouTube's not responsible for anything. Neither is Eyescream Beauty. I am. I bought this with my own money, the prizes that I am giving away. Congratulations to the winner. You have 48 hours to get a hold of me for last month's giveaway. Anyway, your girl's super tired. My eyes are so burning. I just want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I apologize for the lateness on the videos. Like always, I will tell you, if you are going through something, please do not stuff it. Do not try to bury it, or not deal with it if it's something weighing on your mind, because in my experience, it's just gotten worse. Try to talk about it and take the power away from it is what I like to say. And if you don't have anyone to talk to, Hal, hit me up. I'm always available, okay? And if you are asked by someone to listen, please say yes, because you could absolutely help them. And in this crazy, mixed up world we live in, guys, boy, is it also crazy. I know my world is crazy right now. Please, to all my loved ones all across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. We have the crayon for, oops, sorry.